fire up right now. Let's get a video of its starting up. See what it sounds like. It's gonna sound pretty good. Sneak preview. Car looks pretty outstanding. Huge wide body. This, of course, is a custom Ford Mustang, the Fisker Rocket from Galpin Autosports, California. See what it sounds like.